October 5th update for the Aquaponics Canada outdoor greenhouse. You can see the amount of tomatoes on this one plant has just gone crazy. See how much fruit is there, and lots of new flowers and growth. This plant has about 120 tomatoes right now and have already picked 60 tomatoes off this one. And then we have this beefsteak, you can see, with some peppers, and then lots and lots of mint, tomato plants that I just planted side shoot like the sucker, and it has rooted. And then we have okra, they're growing very slowly. There's another okra. All three of these plants are the same age, but this one in the NFT is growing better than the one in the Dutch bucket. And then I have this onion, and then a zucchini. You can see one nice size zucchini, and then another one forming there. And then we have cucumbers here. We'll go back and show you. You can see the growth from the last update. These plants have grown a lot. And there is some cucumbers forming. Okay. And then on this side we have strawberries, have Swiss chard, have beans, more beans, bell pepper. You can see some bell pepper coming in. Have a zucchini, which has some, you can see it. Let me go from here. You can see a zucchini there, another one here, and then there's a new one forming here. Okay, and then basil, parsley, more Swiss chard, and then the back is an eggplant, and I just noticed that it's forming some eggplants and there's more flowers. And then we have these strawberries here. Get more strawberries at the back, and a shot of that. Lots and lots of those tomatoes. You can see some hidden in there. Alright, bell pepper. The system is now 5 months, and if you see on the leaves here, you can see some nutrient lockout. This is not iron because I've added iron, and my pH is finally starting to drop below 7. It's at 6.8. So this is either potassium or calcium or magnesium deficiency, but this will be sorted out as the time passes and the system is about 8 to 9 months old. These should be taken care of. Alright guys, take care.